Okay, this is where Temu started getting interesting for me, because at first I was barely getting anything. Small discounts, weak offers, almost no free gift progress. And honestly, I thought there's no way people are getting multiple rewards from this. Then I changed one thing. I stopped using random codes and activated the code on screen before browsing anything, and the difference was immediate. Suddenly the app started showing stacked coupon bundles, bonus reward offers, extra free gift progress, and way more reward options than before. That's when I realized something important: unlocking more. Temu Gifts isn't really about shopping more, it's about activating better offers early, because the first few times I tried Temu normally, the app barely pushed anything exciting toward me, but the second this code activated, the entire reward flow changed. More coupons appeared, more rewards stacked together, even the free gift section started refreshing with stronger offers. And honestly, this was the first code I tested that actually felt active. Not just some tiny checkout discount, I'm talking real reward changes inside the app. Here's the exact flow that worked best for me. First, enter through the promotion. Second, activate the code on screen immediately. Then start browsing and interacting with the offers. That order matters way more than people think, because once you browse randomly first, Temu usually locks you into weaker shopping offers. But when I activated the code early, the app instantly started pushing higher value deals and faster reward progress, and that's when unlocking more gifts actually became possible. I even tested random viral codes afterward just to compare, and the difference was obvious immediately. Smaller discounts, fewer reward offers, way less stacked progress. That's why I stopped wasting time with random codes online. The code on screen was the first one that consistently unlocked noticeably better rewards and coupon bundles for me. Now let's keep this completely real. Does everyone instantly unlock tons of gifts? No. Can progress still vary by account? Definitely. But if you want the best chance at unlocking more free gifts faster, activating the right code before browsing makes a massive difference. Try the code on screen first and tell me, did the app instantly start showing more reward offers and stacked coupons too?